One explanation is that it is not easy to find Shahbaz Sharif or any of his family members whom the city of Lahore has taken under its protective wings, a line which should be officially shunned since it would be a perfect conclusion for PML known supporters. A better official strategy would be to blame it on human error and the laxity of the raiders. It has been suggested that Mr. Sharif emerged from the episode as a faint-hearted leader. But while one can argue that the principled position would have been to face the law, no matter how Nab's reputation, this would go against the tenets of Mr. Sharif's own political philosophy. The former Chief Minister is here to avoid arrest, perhaps to cut a deal. He avoids and evades. It is up to the other plank of the party to decide when it is absolutely necessary to resist and to be seen to be doing so.